Welcome to the SecurityX CAS-005 lesson. Today, we'll explore the information security challenges organizations face when adopting artificial intelligence, focusing on topic 1.5.1. AI is being rapidly integrated into businesses, from chatbots to fraud detection systems. But along with its benefits, AI brings serious risks, especially in legal, privacy, ethical, and governance areas. Let's start with legal and privacy implications. AI systems often rely on large amounts of personal data. This can include names, behaviors, voice recordings, and even facial images. When AI is used inappropriately or without clear consent, it can break privacy laws like GDPR in Europe or CCPA in California. For example, imagine a facial recognition system meant to enhance building security. If that system starts tracking people in public areas without their consent, the organization may face lawsuits or regulatory fines. Another example, a smart voice assistant that records your conversations. If these recordings are used to train other AI models without your permission, that's a privacy violation. Organizations must make sure that data collected by AI is limited, necessary, and protected. Informed consent is key. The user should know what data is collected, why it's collected, and how it's used. Next, let's look at explainable versus non-explainable AI models. Explainable AI, also known as XAI, refers to models that give clear reasons for their decisions. For instance, if an AI system rejects a loan application, an explainable model will say, "Loan denied because of low income and short credit history." This is important for both trust and compliance. In many industries, users have the legal right to understand how decisions about them are made. On the other hand, non-explainable models, sometimes called black box models, use complex algorithms like deep learning. These models may be very accurate, but they don't provide clear explanations. For example, an AI may deny a job application, but no one can say exactly why. This is dangerous. Hidden biases in the training data could lead to discrimination, and users may have no way to appeal unfair decisions. From a security perspective, black box models also make it harder to detect if someone tampered with a model or poisoned the training data. That's why organizations should prefer explainable models in high-risk environments like finance, healthcare, and legal decisions. If a black box model must be used, it should have safeguards like logging, auditing, and human review. Now, let's talk about organizational policies on the use of AI. Many companies rush to adopt AI without clear rules. This can lead to serious problems. Organizations need internal policies that define who can develop or use AI, how it should be tested, and what kind of data it's allowed to process. For example, a policy might state that no AI tool can go live without a security and bias audit, or that only trained staff can work on AI training models, or that any AI-generated decision affecting customers must be reviewed by a human. Without these policies, the company may accidentally deploy an AI that's vulnerable to attacks, makes unfair decisions, or violates data laws. Lastly, let's cover ethical governance. Ethical governance means ensuring AI is used responsibly, safely, and fairly. It includes values like fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, and security. For example, an AI that recommends medical treatments must be carefully checked to ensure it works equally well for people of all backgrounds. There must be human oversight, and patients must know AI is involved in their care. AI should also be transparent. Users should be able to tell when they're interacting with a machine. If an AI tool gives wrong results or behaves unpredictably, the organization must be able to correct or disable it. Ethical governance isn't just about doing the right thing. It's also about reducing risk. Biased or unsafe AI can damage public trust, attract legal scrutiny, or lead to cyber attacks. Security professionals play a big role here. They must ensure that AI models aren't misused, that they can't be easily manipulated, and that their decisions can be monitored and reversed when needed. To summarize, AI is powerful but risky. Legal and privacy challenges must be addressed through strong data handling and informed consent. The choice between explainable and non-explainable models must be made carefully. Organizations need solid AI usage policies, and ethical governance must guide all AI activities. Thanks for listening. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into AI risk management frameworks and compliance strategies.